Step 4. Beginning and exam. Patient registration. When pressing the Patient button on the upper left side of Control Panel, Patient Registration screen appears. To register a patient manually, enter the patient information and operator or MD's name. To change application, use the trackball to select Application drop-down list and press right side Set key. Select Register or Exit. If you click Exit, patient will be registered automatically and screen turns to scan mode. To start a new study with an existing patient, press the soft key 1 to enter the patient list. Select a criteria we will find by name Alpinion. When the search results appear, select the desired patient. To start a new study, select New Study on the function selection. Set the application and preset, then Exit to return to scan screen.